Hey folks, Mark West with Guaranty RV, and today I want to show you the Coachmen Chaparral 298 RLS. Let's go inside first because this is a beauty. You got the solid steps going in, which is always a bonus. In this beautiful kitchen we have an island, which is very handy. You got the covers for extra counter space. Inside you have a double sink. You have a 3-burner stove with oven and a big microwave. And this is a slide out. So you've got 2 recliners next to your double fridge, double freezer. Over here you have a nice couch that folds out into a bed for your guests. Lots of storage. Beautiful wooden cabinets with smoked glass. Over here you have the electric fireplace, which generates heat. You got space for a TV. You got a stereo system. You got a solid wood dining table with 4 chairs. This is part of a slide out as well. Up here you have a large luxury bathroom with a big shower, nice sink, ceramic toilet. In the bedroom, washer and dryer hookup. Very high quality queen mattress with a little slide out to give you a little extra room. You have air conditioning unit. You have a dresser. So you get a lot of nice features with this unit. Right here we have, if we can squeeze our camera in there, got an outdoor kitchen. So you got a little pull out here with your grill, fridge. Come around back here. You have access to the roof with a ladder. You got a nice big picture window for your living room. Over here you have pass-through storage. With your electrical hookup for the campgrounds, all your water hookups for the gray, black tanks, freshwater tanks. You got a shower. This thing is loaded. Propane is in here, I'm sure. Yeah. Got a 7-gallon propane tank. I think we have one on the other side. As well as a lot of storage here with your battery. So folks, this is a beauty. Come on down, take advantage of this, and let's go camping this weekend. Come see Mark.